Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So in this tutorial I'd like to show you two different ways which will allow you to actually check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the quicker option, which is the secret code. Let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. As you can see, that was a really quick way to check the IMEI number. And now let me show you another one, which is a little bit different and a little bit longer, but it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's scroll down in this right section to find the status information, and as you can see right here we've got the IMEI number for the first SIM slot. Let's tap on it, and I'm not really sure where the IMEI number for the second SIM slot is. However, probably it will appear if you will enter the second SIM card. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.